This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Okay, so here we can take a look at the TV. So this is the TV itself. It does look like you get a decent cable length for the power supply. You get a remote, you get your mounting brackets. Now, I'm trying to decide where we want to mount this at. So far, so good. So a couple things, it's gonna go through here. You're gonna want your antenna. So you're gonna wanna connect an antenna on the back if you wanna get regular TV. For us, we're mostly gonna use it for YouTube TV. So we're gonna set up our YouTube and Wi-Fi and all that stuff because we're gonna watch YouTube videos on how to cook and that kind of stuff. All those how-to videos, but it's pretty nice. The remote's really nice. You got tons of options. I mean, you got Netflix, YouTube, Disney, Prime. So I think with this installation is probably one of the easiest things I've ever seen. So first of all, you have this piece here. Can you guys see? Peel this off of this metal bracket, and you're gonna line this up where you want your TV to be at. For us, we're gonna put it here. So then the TV's gonna fold down and out like that. So if we take a look here, we can go ahead and see exactly how we're gonna do that, which is gonna go up like this. But I do need to move this power cable. So we're gonna have it like this, and then it's gonna fold down. So we wanna make sure, so about center. So we'll line this up, and we're gonna line this bracket up center. They give us screws and everything we need. All right, so for mounting, it's gonna be pretty simple here. You're gonna lift your TV up, and it's gonna give us access under here. And now we just need to line this up with the hole in here, and then we twist. Just, you don't want it going anywhere. All right. So how? Okay, so we need to put that back down then. All right, put this down. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. All right, give me a second, guys. Look at that. That's cool. That's gonna work amazing. So what we do is we press it, TV comes down. Now we can select everything, set everything up. Go from there. We have our power, source, mute, channel, all that stuff there. We got our ports off to the side over here. Yeah, so this is awesome. Again, it is super easy to install, and you can do it with one person. It's just two people, like someone to hold this up while you're twisting it in. It makes it easier. But this is nice, guys. This is really nice. You are not going to be disappointed at all. Not disappointed at all. So yeah, this is really, really awesome. And for this, you just push it up and it clicks and locks in place. This is sweet. This is really, really nice. Really, really nice, guys. Love it. Absolutely love it.